Show the day of the release.
I chase bad bitches, accolades, got will, son, no castaway. I'm twice as good, get half the praise. There was sniper up and I blast.
Hey yo, what's going on guys? Primo Entertainment here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a brand new God mode glitch on the brand new map, Zombies map, Zebutsunoshima, okay? Sorry, I have a hard time pronouncing that name. Okay, so let's get right into the glitch. So first thing you guys want to do is go ahead and come and spawn, because that's where the glitch is. And you want to come up to this little pot over here and you want to put a seed in it. And as soon as you put a seed in it, you can start the glitch. You just want to go and start jumping onto it, like start lunging or whatever. So once you finally get there, as you can see right here, it's kind of tricky to do, guys, so take your time and don't worry. It took me a couple tries to get it right, as you guys can see. And basically when you get on top of it, it's like there's a little barrier right there, not a death barrier, just a regular barrier, and the zombies can't get you, so you're pretty much in God mode. But one of the things you guys do have to watch out for is the brand new zombies boss. I forgot what his name was, but you just gotta figure out how to avoid him, have the right weapons, and that's what you guys really gotta do, because he will be able to get a couple hits on you, but it's not consecutively. It will be like one hit, then you'll stop for a while, and then another hit. So that's all I gotta say, guys, but like and subscribe, and as always, peace.